Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Hiba, aka Hebarrietty. So I'm starting out a new series on my YouTube channel where I do full curly hair wash days using one brand only on my low porosity hair. And for today's video, I'm going to be trying out the CURLSMITH scalp recipe. Since I have low porosity hair, a lot of products don't tend to work well with my hair type, so I wanted to try out different products on my hair and see how they work. As I had mentioned, I'm going to be using CURLSMITH scalp recipe for today's wash day, and I'm actually excited because I love CURLSMITH and I love all the products, but some products in this line I have not used before or tried before, so I'm curious to see how it's going to work out on my low porosity hair. So let's get started on this wash day. So this is my current hair right now. This is day 9. Let me take it out of the spun and show you what it looks like. This is the current situation of my hair. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad, but my scalp is actually screaming. It needs some good wash. And I tried to push my wash day as much as I could so I can film this YouTube video, and here we are. I oiled my hair last night, so I have to make sure that I properly clean my hair today just so I don't leave any residue. So let me tell you what I'm gonna do in the shower today. So since today I'm gonna be using the CURLSMITH scalp recipe line, I'm going to use this detox set. To be more precise, this is the CURLSMITH Detox Clarifying Scalp System. It comes with these 3 products right here. We have the Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer, the Wash and Scrub Detox Shampoo, and the Post-Wash Calming Conditioner. I already own the Wash and Scrub Detox Shampoo, and I got it from TJ Maxx before for like $12, actually $12.99. I tried this before several times and I wasn't a big fan of it because I feel like it didn't clean my hair properly, but since it's the only shampoo I'm going to be using today, I'm going to have to make it work. So let's hope it's gonna do a better job today. But before I go in with the shampoo, I'm going to use this pre-wash primer. I've never used this before, so it's going to be my first time. Let's see what it says here. It says here to wet your hair and apply the primer before your shampoo. Coat all strands evenly and detangle with your fingers or a brush until you get rid of all the knots. Do not rinse out. I thought I was supposed to rinse this out before using my shampoo. So I guess I'm going to be using this and applying my shampoo right after. And then lastly, I'm going to be using this post-wash calming conditioner. I also didn't use this product before, so it's going to be my first time. Alright, so let me go into the shower right now and show you what I do for my wash day. So I started off with the Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer, and I took around this much for one side of my hair. I started off by applying it on the ends first and then working my way up to the mid-lengths and then all the way up. I tried to detangle a little bit with my fingers, and I did the same thing on the other side. Then I took this brush from Conair to start detangling with the brush instead of my fingers, and honestly, as soon as I started brushing, I felt so much struggle. So I had to add more product because whatever amount I had used was not doing it for me. Like, you have no idea how tangled my hair was. But after I had used more product, it was getting easier to detangle, and I finally managed to fully detangle one side of my hair. And trigger warning if you don't want to see, but this is how much I shed on just one side of my hair, which was not bad at all, honestly. And this is how much I shed on the other side of my hair, which wasn't bad either. Okay, so I had just finished applying the primer, and now I'm gonna go straight to the shampoo because they said to not rinse it off. I'm really scared about the outcome because, you know, I already have product and I already have buildup, so I wonder how good the shampoo will work with all these products in my hair. See if it's gonna actually clean everything up. I don't know if you can see the beads, but I can feel it. I emulsified the shampoo in my hands first, and then I proceeded to apply it on my hair and my scalp, really giving it a good massage and not forgetting the length of my hair as well. It didn't really say this was a low lather shampoo, but I didn't really notice a lot of lather there. I'm going to use a scalp massager from Conair. This is actually one of my favorite ones. I recently got it from the brand. It just feels so good on my scalp, and this helps with loosening up the buildup, which I really need. As I was rinsing off the shampoo, I felt that my hair was still dirty and still heavy, so I decided to double cleanse. My hair definitely feels cleaner, and now I can finally proceed with conditioning. So I'm taking around this much for one side. It smells very minty. Actually, it smells refreshing. So I'm able to rake my fingers through my hair because it's already detangled. I'm not going to have much trouble detangling it while brushing it through, but I still have like fallout, which is pretty normal because I haven't washed my hair in 9 days, so I'm going to have a lot of shedding. I really like the way this thing smells. It smells like mint gum. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for you. I need to do a quick brush through. Okay, yeah, this glided pretty easily and smoothly. So I'm going to leave this on for around a minute and then rinse it out. I know it said wanted to, but I'm lazy and I just want to get out of this bathroom already. I normally use a Tangle Teezer brush to detangle my hair, but this brush from Conair is actually really amazing. Okay, let me rinse my hair now and then I'll be back to style my hair. I'm finally done washing my hair and now I'm gonna go style it. But before I style, I just wanted to let you know how my hair felt after I had finished washing it. My hair actually felt really soft as soon as I finished washing it. Like, I kept touching it and it was like really smooth and like had that seaweed-like texture. I'm not sure if you know what I'm talking about. It actually felt really nice. And my hair also feels clean, so I'm glad that I double cleansed with that shampoo because I felt like it wasn't gonna be good using that shampoo twice, but I'm glad I did. My hair feels cleaner. And it also doesn't feel heavy, thank God, because when I used the primer, I felt that my hair was going to be a little on the heavier side, and plus the conditioner even after I had shampooed, I was still worried that it wasn't gonna like totally wash off and make my hair feel a bit heavy. My hair feels more on the damp side now because I was doing my makeup, so my hair was getting a little dry. I'm just going to re-wet it now before I style because I love styling on soaking wet hair and that's what works best for my low porosity hair. Before I wet my hair, I just wanted to show you this robe that I got from CURLSMITH, and CURLSMITH gifted us this robe when we went for the Shake and Shine event a few months ago, and it's honestly so pretty. Like, I feel bougie in this. I feel luxurious in it. And here is the logo. So cute. And I'm going to, oh my god. And I'm going to use this mist spray bottle from CURLSMITH. It's my favorite one. I'm just going to spray it all over. I'm going to have to spray it a lot. Actually, my hair is dry. My hair feels super wet, which is exactly what I need, but not in this cold weather. I'm actually freezing. It's so cold today. Anyway, so I'm just giving my hair a little brush right now using my Tangle Teezer brush. I want to make sure that my hair is evenly wet as I'm brushing it through. It feels good. I look like an egg. Okay, now I'm going to prep my hair using this leave-in conditioner, and this is the Weightless Air Dry Cream. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners ever. It lives up to its name. It's so weightless, like you barely feel anything in your hair. I had also mentioned more details about this cream in one of my videos where I talked about my favorite products, and this was one of them. Make sure to check that video out because I have a lot of other products that I spoke in detail of, and that could be helpful. All right, so now I'm gonna use this. I'm going to use around this much for one side. I don't know how to explain the smell of this product, but it smells delicious, and every CURLSMITH product is always so delicious. My hair instantly feels moisturized. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. If I feel like I need more, I'm gonna add more, but honestly, this is more than enough for me. A little ASMR moment. I don't know if that did anything. Okay, that was an ASMR fail. Brush everything through. Even distribution of product. Enough playing around. Okay, so I'm just brushing everything through just so I can distribute the products evenly, and also to make sure that there are no knots in my hair. My hair feels so nice. Let me just part my hair and come back. So I just finished parting my hair, and now I'm going to section my hair into two, just like that. I always love working in sections because that gives me more control of how to style my hair, and it always gives me the best results. And sectioning is done, and now we're going to start styling. Before I proceed, I just want to make sure that my hair is still wet, so I'm going to wet it a little bit more. I'm going to brush it one more time. And now I'm going to start styling using this gel, and this is the Hydra Style Flexi Jelly. I could have sworn that I had a bigger bottle of this, but I can't find it anywhere, and I think I'm just hallucinating, but we're gonna have to make do with the travel size today. I've also never tried this gel before, so I hope it's going to work well. If you've watched my previous videos, you would know that I love a stronghold gel, and this is not like strong. This has a level 7 hold, which is more of a medium hold, and I prefer a stronger hold, but let's see how this is going to work out. I'm adding around this much, and this is more of a water-based gel. It feels nice. So this gel has water as its first ingredient. That's why it's a water-based gel. I'm adding the same amount on the other side. Going to brush it. If you like styling your hair damp, I think this gel would work perfectly for that routine. And now I'm going to use my Bounce Curl Define Edge Lift brush to style my hair. This brush gives me the best definition. I do have the volume edge lift brush as well, but today I want to use the Define brush. I love them both so much. So for these front pieces, I love styling individually first, and then I start working in sections. So what I do is I place my brush right at the root and then brush with tension.
Give it a little shake, and you're done. And I do this for both sections. Look at that. So far, I'm getting great definition. I'm done styling one side and you can see the difference. This one has a more definition. I'm gonna finish the other side and then I'm gonna show you how I style the top part of my hair. Alright, so now I'm styling the upper part. And of course, before anything, I'm gonna wet it again. I'm dreading this so much because I'm so cold. I'm really freezing right here. I guess I don't really have to go crazy with wetting my hair since I'm using a water-based gel. So that's adding more water and I think that's gonna be fine. You already know it. I'm brushing it again. I'm going to add a little bit more gel for the upper part, around this much. And I'm going to rake it through too. I always rake my gel through, by the way. I never glaze and just scrunch because I just want the ultimate hold to my hair and I want to make sure that each strand is coated because I don't really want to be dealing with refreshing my hair or dealing with frizz. A lot of people get surprised when I tell them this, but I really never refresh my hair. I barely ever refresh my hair, and that's because I really take my time with my hair routine to ensure that I will be having the best results. The most I've refreshed is actually my bangs, and that's about it. I mean, as you've seen in the beginning of this video with my day 9 hair, it wasn't that bad. That was because I used a stronghold gel too. So I'm curious to see if my hair will last the same way it does with a stronghold gel. So this is how I style the upper section of my hair. I love working from the back to the front as opposed to the lower section where I had worked from the front to the back. I take little sections again and I just basically brush it the same way. Place it close to the root and brush with tension. And there we go. Sometimes I like making sure that my section is not too big just because I want to make sure that I have that volume. And with this routine, I always have the best volume and definition. I meant styling routine, not routine. Since I feel like this whole line is on the lighter side, I feel like my hair is not going to be really heavy or not help me with volume. If anything, I feel like it's going to give me more volume, but I'll wait for the results. Look at my arm, look at the goosebumps. I'm cold. I just finished styling and this is what my hair looks like fully styled. As you can see, this definition right here looks nice and juicy, honestly. And I feel like the results are gonna be promising. I'm really loving the definition. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more gel and glaze it all over my hair and scrunch everything out. That's a squishy sound you wanna hear. The last step was done, so I'm gonna go diffuse my hair now and get myself warm and get back to you with the final result. So my hair is fully dry now and I'm gonna use an oil to scrunch out the crunch. And I'm gonna be cheating because I don't have any oil from the scalp recipe and I'm just gonna be using this one. And this is the bonding oil from CURLSMITH. Before I do that, I just wanna look at the shape and how my hair is. There is actually a decent amount of cast, which I like because I don't really like when a gel does not leave me a cast and leaves me with this like very soft hold. I'm pretty impressed with the cast so far. I don't know if you can hear. That's a good cast. And I'm just gonna take some oil, just this much. Oops. And I'm going to glaze it all over my hair gently. Then I'm just going to flip and scrunch. You can already see the volume. Oh my god. This is actually nice. And now I'm just gonna fluff. Okay. Oh my god. I love my results. Just separate some pieces. And this is the final result. What are we thinking? I'm actually really impressed because I did not expect this gel to do such a great job. Since I'm a stronghold gel girly or a medium hold gel, this is not bad at all. Wow, I was really sleeping on this gel. I love it. I really do love it. This is how it looks like from the side. My hair is so long, so I don't know if you can see the end of it, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Other side. And this is the back. So final thoughts, I really like this line and I'm very happy with the results. I think it came out really nice, and the biggest win for me when it comes to this line is the gel, because this gel really did its thing. Now let us talk about the products. So the first thing I used is the Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer. And while I was reading the instructions on how to use this, I was actually surprised to see that it said to not rinse off. So that left me a bit worried because I already had a lot of buildup in my hair from all the products that I had used in my previous wash day, and I also had a stronghold gel, so that added a lot of product in my hair. So I was worried that this was going to add on to the weight and just make my hair feel heavy and greasy. I also had to keep adding more as I was going because when I was detangling, I couldn't brush everything through like smoothly, and since it was my day 9 hair, I had a lot of knots and tangles, so it was really hard to like brush through even with a little bit of this product. So adding more did not necessarily help me per se. It made it a little easier, but also at the same time I didn't want to use a lot of product. So I'm a little bit conflicted when it comes to this product. Would I recommend this product? I do not necessarily think that you do need this product because I feel like you could make do with a conditioner, and I think you can easily detangle using a conditioner after you shampoo and it'll give you the same result. So I don't necessarily think that this primer has to be a part of your wash day routine. I would skip. Next, I used the Wash and Scrub Detox shampoo, and as I had mentioned before, this shampoo did not give me the best results and I didn't have a great experience with it. So, since I'm trying out the line today, I had to incorporate this into my routine as it is the only shampoo they have in the line. As I had mentioned, I did not rinse off the primer, so I had to go in with the shampoo right after. And after I had used the shampoo, I still felt like my hair was heavy and greasy and not really clean. I thought of going with another cleanse using the shampoo, but I was also worried because I didn't think that this would be a great shampoo to double cleanse with. But because my hair was already so dirty, I really needed to double cleanse. So I had no choice but to use it again, but honestly, I'm so glad I did because my hair did feel clean right after. Now, would I recommend this shampoo? I honestly feel like there are way better options out there that are more affordable as well. For clarifying shampoo, this did not really impress me, even after I had used it today. And I feel like the Twist Hit Reset Clarifying Shampoo can do a way better job for an affordable price as well. I would use that over this anytime. No offense, CURLSMITH, I love you, but the shampoo is just not for me. And then I went ahead to condition using this post-wash calming conditioner, and actually this conditioner was really nice. I love that minty smell and the cooling effect that it left on my hair for a conditioner, because I feel like I would normally get these minty tingly feels from a shampoo and not from a conditioner. So this was really unique and I loved it. Now, would I recommend this? I feel like I could recommend this to you, and I actually liked it, so I would be repurchasing this with my own money if I had to, since this was gifted. Next, I prepped my hair with the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and I don't really need to say much about this one because I love it. I've always been a fan of this cream and I've been using it for years now. I've spoken about this cream so many times in my other videos, so it's self-explanatory. As I said, it's very weightless and it doesn't leave your hair feeling heavy. It leaves your hair very hydrated and moisturized, so this one is always going to be a winner for me. And if you're hesitating, don't hesitate. Go get this now. And lastly, the Hydra Style Flexi Jelly. I'm really upset at myself for sleeping on this gel just because I thought it was not going to work on my hair because of the fact that it's a medium hold gel and not a strong hold gel. But boy oh boy, I was so wrong. This gel is seriously the winner in this whole line other than the Weightless Air Dry Cream, just because, I haven't tried this before and I wanted to give an award. And I really do want the big bottle now. I'm gonna have to make do with this travel size and hopefully I won't run out. So this is how the CURLSMITH Scalp Recipe line works on my low porosity hair. What do you guys think? If you have low porosity hair, I would definitely recommend using this line and trying it out for yourself because honestly, the result speaks for itself. Since my hair is longer now, it definitely feels heavier. So I'm actually happy with the fact that these products did not make my hair feel more weighed down. And all these little things and details matter to me because, when it comes to my hair, I want to make sure that it's going to be versatile and that I'm going to be able to use it with different hair lengths and different routines as well, just so I can have the best results. And this is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys have tried the CURLSMITH Scalp Recipe before, and if you have low porosity hair, what do you guys think of this line? And if you've never tried this line before, would you try it? I'm curious to know. If you have any other product recommendations that you would like me to try on my low porosity hair, please let me know in the comments. And if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I would appreciate if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.